when an F3 error appears on the higher mini-split air conditioner. What does it mean and why does it occur? Whenever this error occurs, both the indoor and outdoor units stop functioning and the error is displayed on the screen. Now, let's move toward the outdoor unit because this fault is related to the outdoor unit. We will explain why this fault occurs and what causes it. Now we have reached the outdoor unit and opened it, where you can see its PCB. Whenever the F3 error appears, it indicates an issue with the outdoor unit. Specifically, the fault is related to two wires that you can see here. If these wires have a loose connection for any reason or are not properly seated in the connector, the system will display the F3 error code. This happens because the power PCB and the module PCB need to communicate with each other. When there is no communication between them, the F3 error will appear on the display. In addition, I will show you how its indicator lights behave. These lights will blink, signaling the error. Now, I will turn on the unit and demonstrate the blinking lights for you. Now you can see that the F3 error is appearing on the indoor unit's display, while the LED 1 on the outdoor unit is blinking. Notice the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. This indicates that the power PCB and the IPM PCB are not communicating with each other. The reason for this could be that the voltage is not transferring from the power PCB to the IPM PCB, which is why the F3 error is showing on the display. Let's proceed to open the PCB and inspect it further to identify any additional issues that might be causing the problem. Now, we've removed the outdoor PCB from the unit for further inspection. As I mentioned earlier, there are two connectors, one blue and one black, both of which are attached to the power PCB. If the wires connected to these connectors are damaged or faulty, the F3 error will appear. To resolve this, you can replace these wires and test again. The black wire facilitates communication between the power PCB and the IPM PCB, while the blue connector wire provides power to the IPM. Here's how to check the blue connector. Pin 1 and pin 2, both are ground. Pin 3 should measure 15 volts. If 15 volts are present at this connector, it indicates the IPM PCB is faulty and is not generating communication output. In this case, the IPM PCB needs to be repaired. If the 5 volts and 15 volt signals are not being sent from the power PCB to the IPM PCB, it indicates a fault in the power PCB, which will also need to be repaired. By ensuring the availability of these 5 volt and 15 volt signals, or by repairing or replacing the faulty PCBs, the F3 error can be resolved and the system will resume normal operation. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos and subscribe. Thank you.